friends, do you know what today is? It's fall time. Can you tell from our fall orange shirt and orange vase and black nails? I cannot believe that it's fall already. I feel like I say this every season, but they go by so fast. I will say this summer, I feel like I enjoyed the summer more than I have in a while. I mean, not that I don't like the summer, I do, but I feel like the past few years, it's like beginning of August, I'm like completely over summer. Even in July, I'm like, I'm over summer, I just want fall. And like the holidays to start. And this year, I feel like I really enjoyed summer more. But now we're on to fall. Now I'm in like full steam ahead, fall mode. Even though it is like 80 something degrees out today. So we are having iced coffee, some cold brew, but we're using an orange mug. This is the Stoke Cold Brew Light Roast, Unsweet Black, Bright and Mellow. It's very good. I highly recommend. Such a fun part. Today's video, like I said, we are decorating for fall. Right now, as you can see, I already completely undecorated, not completely, but like I took all my seasonal stuff out of the kitchen and I only left like what I know is gonna stay. In a second, I'll show you all the clips of me actually like taking all my decor around the condo down and then decorating for fall. Let me know in the comments if you already decorated for fall. Oh, Callie says hi. Or if you are like me and you're like just getting into it now, let me know. Also, yes, I lost the top to this. I think I threw it out by accident, so I don't have much left, but I'm just kind of going with it and hope it doesn't go bad. It's oat milk. I feel like I never say this in videos, but if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you gave it a big thumbs up. That actually does help out the video and it helps out my channel. And if you're new here, you should totally consider subscribing. I do a ton of home lifestyle content and I would love to have you stick around. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into it. The 3 boxes that were on top are all Christmas decor, so I had to move all of those in order to get the one at the bottom, which is our fall decor for this video. Now, I recommend sorting through your existing decor before you shop for any new decor whenever possible. You avoid rebuying something that you may already have because, especially when there's a year in between, it's very possible that you're going to forget things that you have. I often am like, oh my gosh, I forgot that I had that. I can't wait to decorate with it. And finally, for my organizing system, I used the box that was holding my fall decor for my summer and spring decor to store that. So once this is empty, I can go around the condo as you'll see and refill this box with all my spring and summer decor to store for the next year. And on to undecorating. This is one of the like most bittersweet parts of the whole process, I feel, because while yes, I am so excited to decorate for fall, I loved my summer decor and I do feel a little bit like, you know, I'm gonna miss the bright yellow and the lemons and the flowers, but don't get me wrong, I'm quickly switching and I'm excited for fall. I don't know if this is weird or if anybody else does this, if you're like me and you kind of like do change up a lot of your decor per season, but after I take all of my decor down from one season, I like to let it sit like that for a day or two. It just feels like it's like letting my home breathe. And I find that also gets me even more pumped and excited to decorate. And time to let the decorating begin. To start off, we're in the bedroom, and if you remember from last year, we do more of a neutral theme, mainly because of the giant blue painting of the ocean that I have above my bed. My friend Sochil painted that. She's so talented, and I don't want to switch that out per season. Like, I like to keep that painting there year round. So whenever I'm decorating my room, I do so kind of with that painting in mind and those colors in mind so that it all looks very cohesive. And I do find it really fun to do a different theme somewhere in my home. So if there's a decor theme that you've been wanting to try out for the fall, but you typically stick with one, I recommend choosing one room in your home and trying it out. Now, if you have any neutral wreaths or garlands lying around from the spring and summer and you want to spice it up for the fall, a really easy and inexpensive DIY you can do is head to the Dollar Tree or Michael's or Hobby Lobby, Walmart, really anywhere would probably have them, and get little clip-on pumpkins like these. You can customize it for whatever color scheme you're going for. You just clip them on. They look really, really, like it looks custom. It looks like you bought the wreath like that, but you can also remove them next year. So one wreath, multiple seasons. Here I am making a little floral arrangement. All of those flowers or stems are from the Dollar Tree, and I thought that shot was so cool. I don't know why, but I was like so excited about it. I was also filming for TikTok here. Let me know in the comments if you found me through TikTok, because I know on a lot of my TikToks I'll mention I have a YouTube channel, so if you found me through there, let me know. I originally put this pumpkin gourd here, but I felt like it was a little too big for the space, so I switched it out for this smaller little floral pick from Target. I believe it was the Hearth and Hand collection, and I think that looks a lot nicer. Now, my favorite part of decorating for fall is definitely taking out this painting that my grandma did back in 1970. I used to keep it up year round, but it's clearly very fall themed, and I do like to switch up my decor. I also find that taking it out for the fall makes it seem so much more special because I look forward to having it up there, and it's not like, you know, when something's on your wall all year round, it's easy to just forget that it's there in a sense and not notice it. So by making it more of a special piece that I take out in the fall time, it just makes it that much more special. As you can see here, I'm using a wood polishing spray on my coffee table just so it's nice and clean before we start adding decor, and the same thing I'm doing to my TV stand. One of my new favorite things to do in the morning while I'm having my coffee or when I'm decorating like here is I'll go on my TV, go to the YouTube app, and then I searched up fall ambiance and I picked this video. Whether it's on your TV or your computer, having a video to kind of set the tone for whatever season or holiday it is, or what kind of like vibe you want. Maybe it's a bright sunny fall day, maybe it's a rainy fall day, whatever it is, having that on the screen really sets the tone and gives like a really nice ambiance. So highly recommend you do this. Another huge tip when it comes to decorating your home on a budget is instead of buying new throw pillows per season, buy pillow inserts. I got mine off of Amazon, and then you can switch out the pillow covers. One, buying pillow covers is way less expensive, and two, it's way easier to store. You don't have like a million giant pillows to stuff in a closet. You can fold up the pillow covers nicely, and you can honestly have a lot of them and switch them out whenever you feel like it. So my orange ones are from Amazon, and I will have them linked on my storefront. As you can see, I don't have any florals added to those two jars yet, but later in the video we do go to Michael's, and I cannot wait to share with y'all the ones that I picked out. Now, moving on to the office, if you remember in one of my recent videos, we transformed this little bookshelf to a mini coffee bar because I wanted some more space in the kitchen, and I was honestly a little bit worried if it was going to be annoying to have to come in here when I wanted hot coffee, but it has been kind of great. I love the way that it looks, and it's literally like 5 steps from the kitchen, so it's not that bad. I feel like this video is just filled with quick, easy ways to decorate decorate for fall. This tip is to get some photo frames and then go on Pinterest, Google, Etsy. I got these off of Etsy actually, and I will have them linked in the description. Pick out some prints that you like and then have those printed. I got mine at Walmart. Both of them together were $30. And as you could see, the previous prints that I have for the spring and the winter, I just keep behind them. So it's really easy to store, switch them out when the new season comes, and I think they completely transform the vibe of the room.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me.
Here's another example of where I'm using really inexpensive photo prints to decorate for the season. I have this photo holder that I got from TJ Maxx like years ago, and I like to switch out those photos for some festive ones. Over on my desk, I like to keep the side that I work relatively like cleared off, so I moved all of those essentials that I use pretty much every day to the other side of the desk, and on my side, I just have a little pumpkin, a little candle, and a cute little acorn, and I love how this turns out. Simple enough, but festive enough at the same time. I can't believe the office is done. Honestly, putting up these two pictures has been one of the things that I've been most excited for in terms of decorating. I just love how they look so much, because last fall I told myself I was going to switch out those prints and I never ended up doing it. And so this year I'm so excited with them. I love the pumpkin. This is such a cute work background. This is where I take my work meetings, and for my TikToks, I'm very excited. Shopping time. This is one of my favorite parts of any decorating journey. That's not the right word, but you know what I mean. Me and my sister went to Michael's. I was overwhelmed in the best way possible at how many options they had. Now, one of my biggest tips when it comes to shopping for new decor is, well, part one, decorate with what you have first, and then take photos of the spaces that you need new things for. So for example, these are some of the photos I took so that when I was in the store, I was kind of comparing the different pics and saying like, okay, this will go here, that will go there. Obviously right now I was using my phone to film, so like I couldn't be looking at the pictures, but here I was organizing all of the pics that I chose, and then after I was filming, I looked at my phone and compared the different pics to the different areas in my home to find the ones that would work best in my space. Time to decorate with my new decor. I cannot tell y'all how in love with these new picks I am. I know I'm going to be reusing these year after year. Now, for the coffee table, I mentioned in my TikTok decorating video that I didn't really like how it turned out, and some of y'all recommended putting like little leaves in there or little acorns, and I love that idea. So I took these little acorns and little pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree and spread those out in there with the candle and the little fall florals, and I think it turned out beautifully.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me.
I am tired. Cal, what about you? Are you tired? But I am so darn happy with how everything turned out. I'm just looking around and I'm like, I can't stop smiling. It feels so festive and so fall and so cozy, but like, I mean, some people are gonna think it's over the top, but to me, it's not over the top. It's like the perfect amount of fall. Maybe some of y'all are gonna be like, whoa, Kat, you need more. Like last year, if you remember, I put leaves above my kitchen cabinets, and this year I decided not to do that. I was trying to like tone it down a little bit, but I mean, if you look at my space, like look what I'm looking at. I'm fully aware this is not toned down, but it is a little bit more toned down than like I've had it in the past, if that makes sense. But like, how pretty is this? This has become my new obsession. Every morning when I'm sitting here having my coffee, I put on some like fall scene. I just go on YouTube and search up like fall ambiance, and then I pick one. I just think it's so relaxing. And sometimes I'll even have the music on, and it's got like background music with like birds chirping. Do you like it? If you watch until this part, comment your favorite fall activity. I think mine has to be like pumpkin picking, getting cider donuts, going to like a cider mill, like having like a nice hard cider with a nice donut, corn mazes. I think corn mazes are really fun. Taking Callie for hikes. You like go for a hike? She's like, what? Like hanging out, watching fall movies or Halloween movies and eating cookies and like, or making like a really nice fall dinner. I just listed so many fall activities, but let me know what your favorite or like a handful of your favorites are. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And if you are new here and you happen to be hearing me and you're like, I'm not subscribed, maybe you can subscribe. So I think that's about it for today. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.